In this video, I'll show you exactly how to cancel your ChatGPT subscription on the desktop version of Windows 11. First, open your web browser and go to chatgpt.com. Make sure you're signed into the account that has the active subscription. In the bottom left corner, click on your profile icon. From the menu, click Settings. Inside Settings, select Account. Here you'll see your current plan, such as ChatGPT Plus. Next, click Manage. This opens the billing page where you can control your subscription. Now click Cancel Subscription. You'll be asked to confirm. Once you do, your subscription will be cancelled. You'll still have access to ChatGPT Plus until the end of your current billing period, and you won't be charged again. If you subscribed using a phone app, you'll need to cancel through the App Store or Google Play instead. This method is only for desktop subscriptions, and that's how to cancel your ChatGPT subscription on PC. If this helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more simple, beginner-friendly tech tutorials.